Sen is doing an amazing job.
That's a very lazy one. Nothing it
Kuwait dolphins perceive their natural environment is very interesting. These animals can see just as well permanently below the surface of the water. And as you can see, Sid is doing a good job over there, and it was close to the lake.
طبعا عم نشوف المزيج الرائع اعزائي المشاهدين من الالوان والان اللون الازرق اخيرا اللون الاحمر يلا نركز.
Types of blue representing the ocean and the sky and blue too.
والان اللمسات السحريه باللون الاحمر. Let's add the final color to brighten up the masterpiece. Excellent dolphins, the masterpiece is complete.
Masterpiece.
Well, it's not going to walk around the front with the painting, so you can all get a first look at it. As you walk around, think to yourself, what do you think Sidney could be thinking when you create this painting? Between a layer of artwork in 20 countries around the world. We are now asking one of you the opportunity to take this painting home. We are going to be holding an art auction. Starting at 50 dirhams, all you have to do, raise your hand up so myself and Bob can accept your bid. This is a very rare opportunity for you to own a painting that has been created by a dolphin. Who would like to make the first bid at 50 dirhams? Anybody? What day you reserve for millions on eBay?
Well, that's right. You can add a few collections back home.
There we go. 50 going once, anybody at 100? 50 going once, 50 going twice. 1, 2, 3, solved. Thank you.
Okay,
Gold power? 50 They both have no
I am sure many of you have always wanted to swim with dolphins. Alexi does it every day. Get your cameras focused to the left-hand side of the pool as our dolphins squeeze in a trainer. Alexi.
बचाव कर ले बचाव कर ले didn't see it.
It's now time for our lucky draw. If you want a small football, with a lucky number, please make your way down to the front of the pool.
كل واحد حصل على كلمة الحظ فيلم القصة في سنة الشهر. نشوف مع بعض كل أكثر حظا على اليوم الفائزين الأفضل هنا. كما نعرف everybody is sum up, wait for the signal, and the first two lucky numbers will be selected by the company.
What you need to do is select your favorite dolphin and hopefully they get a picture number. You can have a prize. On the count of three, let's throw it into the water. Hold on one person. 1, 2, 3, go! Coming up, two. First two numbers.
Alright, thank you, Katya. We have number 15 and 18.
15 and 18. Everybody else is behind.
رغم أن رقم 15 ورقم 18 وحصل رقم 15 and 18. There is the thing about this test of the
Right, so nothing. 15 and 18. Right, our second place winner has won a... B. It's a heart seal. There we go. And our first place winner has won a drum roll. Maria and a dolphin plush toy. We also got our prize. Please follow Maria to go meet the dolphins and get a photo from our photo shop.
المفروض أعزائي المشاهدين الفائز على اليوم بالجائزة الأولى وهي عبارة عن لعبة رياضية حول قصة قبيلة الفيلم أيضا تكون معصورة الفعلية
Given it's going to go for me, Joe. Joe is our security manager here at the Dolphin area. Well, he's our security manager from Monday to Saturday, and on a Sunday he runs a very successful used car dealership.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
What do you want to get?
Off we go. Jump into the boat. Hold on to your seatbelt because that's very important. Sit. Come on, come on. Signal for the boat ride.
نبدأ الرحلة السعيدة مع كابتن سيا.
Bob, what time is it?
Well, man, it's boat time! Let's go ahead and go!
Remember, you can't serve when you want to learn, you learn when you want to understand, and you understand when you want to have been taught. Take this moment to observe our dolphins, to appreciate them, to learn from them. But most importantly, let's stand together to look after them. Thank you! Get your cameras focused to the stage and back to the ball for your final shot half for those dolphins.
طبعا طبعا في الاخير اعزائي المشاهدين بالإطار هذه الخطوات الترجمه
Sending Susha, Jofka, Kyokla, Sherry, Katya, and Alexei.
أصبح الحلم حقيقة أعزائي المشاهدين في دبي الفينال. اليوم لو حبيت تتصور مع الثلاثين تتوجه إلى التصوير الفوتوغرافي على مباشرة مع أوضاع مختلفة التصوير للشخص.
Directly after the show, you can have your photograph taken of the dolphins. Photoshop is at the front of the dolphin area, make your way there, take your photograph, come back into the stadium, and have your picture taken. We're going to show